Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. During one of the previous mail calls, there was a great question. And the question was, how do I continue to grow my business and myself personally? And within my answer, I said one of many things that I like to do is surround myself with people that are a lot more successful than myself. And then I'm a sponge, absorb as much information as I can. I process it and spin it into my own success and growth, both in my personal life and my business. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking another trip to visit a rather large, successful company. This time, I'm going to take you with, and you will experience it with me as we go through. And I recommend being a sponge just like myself and taking in as much information as you can. Let's get going. Cerakote, or prismatic powders, is a division of NIC Industries. Nestled in Rogue Valley, which is in Medford, Oregon, 18 lush acres of their campus, 100,000 square foot of manufacturing space. Incredibly impressive, as you can see here as I pan around. Cerakote was founded in 1984, and they had a mission. And that mission was to create high-end, high-performing coatings. And that spans industries from automotive guys to firearms to high-end electronics, eyewear, and well beyond, as you can see here. There are quite a few series or lines of coatings that they do offer, and you can see some of the examples here of what they get into and protect, and color, really, many different colors to choose from. Here is their division of robotics, which blew me away, absolutely blew me away, very impressive. Powder coating, 3D laser, 3D printing, metal or plastic. They pretty much have an offering for everyone. They have training classes, and here's their elaborate, top-notch training classrooms. They will train anybody from around the world who wants to master their craft. If you are interested in speeding up your coating process, they have a robotics department, and here one is being calibrated to coat stocks of arms, and you can really use it or program it to coat anything with just about any powder coating product. Here they are 3D printing, they take care of that as well. While I span around the laser imaging section, we can go over some of the coatings that they offer. An Oven Cure G series covers automotive, firearms, aerospace, knives, eyewear. The Oven Cure H, consumer electronics, wearables, saltwater applications. The Air Cure C series, optics, wheels, exhaust systems, lighting. They have V series, which takes care of headers, turbos, manifolds, industrial applications, and the Performance Clear will take care of plastics, aluminum, and hydrographics. Really in-depth, and they, as you can see here, an example of the 3D laser imaging and the designs that they can create. Really, your imagination is the limit. I quickly run back over to the robotics division as they have one calibrated and they are running it through its paces. Completely self-sufficient, to say the least. Everything done in-house. Their waste is turned into fertilizer, which nowadays is a highly sought-after byproduct. Their coatings pretty much everywhere and are probably on something in your household or in your garage that you may use every day. They do their own bottling, labeling, packaging, and everything from start to finish is done in-house. Automated and efficient, fast, and boy am I jealous. R&D departments and QD departments, all in one facility, very efficient. And as I span around, you can see the tight operation and a lot of the raw materials being prepared. Let me give you an example of one of those materials and what it can turn into. This is the rapid ceramic paint sealant. I did a dedicated video. I will put a link for that video up above. But let me give you a quick refresh on this EQS here, Mercedes fully electric vehicle. The boys are working on some PPF on the front. The rest of it will need to be protected. So let's use the rapid ceramic paint sealant. Very easy to use, as I showed in its dedicated video. Spray on, wipe off. Quick and easy, no streaking. No high spots, no blurriness, no hazing. Slick, hydrophobic, crisp reflections. It looks like I am just holding the camera in front of a mirror. And I feel like I have to make it clear with every protectant to get the most out of it. You need to do prep. So when you can see this panel, it's not only dirty, but it has imperfections, and you want to try and improve them if you can't remove them. So do a proper wash technique. Is important. Do the decon with iron remover and clay. Do at least a cleaner polish to decontaminate the paint even further. The flatter you get the paint, and correction will help with that, the glossier it will look. The cleaner you will get the clear coat, the better the bond will be with your protectant and the surface. Let me give you a bird's eye view of just how easy this is to use. A little bit of cure time. Once you get through that period, right here is a great example of the results it can give you. While we're enjoying the bead horn, I can share with you in its dedicated video, I gave it a 7 or 8 out of 10. And just because they were gracious enough to have me for a few hours, and I'm so thankful for that, that does not change that rating I gave it, because I have not had time to get the vehicle back that it was applied to in that video and share the results with you. And it may jump up a little bit. It may stay the same. That rating may drop. That does not change the overall system on the channel or the way I go about reviewing products. I just needed you to know that, and we'll have a lot more to share when it comes to the experiences of products like these. One more thing I'd like to share on the Bronco here is, with this product, you can dry your car with water. What do I mean by that? Well, take a look. Avoid water spots with this technique of drying with the rapid ceramic paint sealant. If you have any drops left over from around door handles and mirrors, just break out your leaf blower. And like many sealants and coatings, over the next 7 to 14 days, the slickness, the gloss, its characteristics will only increase. Okay, guys, first, I would love to thank the friendly, wonderful staff from NIC, or Cerakote, for having me and putting up with me for a few hours. It was very impressive to see their operation, the care and love they put into what they do, their professionalism, and their self-sufficiency, which was very, very impressive. It gives you an idea of where some of these products come from, the process, how they're made, what goes into them, the research, the R&D, the Q&D. It's just something I wanted to bring you guys along with me and experience this time. And I hope you enjoyed it. I got a lot out of it. And I always look forward to these visits and seeing how operations like this exist on a day-to-day basis. Cerakote has veered off into the auto industry and surface protection for autos. So you're going to see products coming out from them more in the future. And now you have an idea of where they came from and how they originated. So I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments section. This has been Brian from Apex Detail, and I'll catch you in the next video.